Okay, hadn't made a video in a real long time. Kind of messing around here in my old backyard and things, and my dad brought me over this old come-along that was broken, and I guess I'm gonna take it and see if I can't fix it. So here we go. So this is the part that's broken. It's this piece here was welded onto that piece there, this piece here, and it broke off. So I'm just going to weld it back on and see what we can do with that. Okay, I guess it's cooled off enough now that we can try to put it back together. So, I ain't sure how it goes together. I'm just gonna guess. That's all I can do is guess. Work this in. Here. Got the screw back through it, put the nut on it. Hopefully this time it might work. I think it's working. I think I gotta take this off and put this back through there. When I do, it'll be right. So we got a functioning come along again. And this time I don't think it's going to break like the last time it broke. Broke the whole wheel off and was tangling the cable up in there and binding up so bad it wouldn't work at all. So that's a good fix. Another Cracker Swamp video for you. See you next time.